used medical equipment, refurbished. Doing a quick walkthrough. Give everybody a little behind the scenes. There's always equipment that you might see, and then so some blanket warmers, strikers. These are the striker Mistral Airs. Aspire Anesthesia Machines. A lot of progressive beds in stock.
Those are hard to find.
Yep, surgical lights. Some halogens back there. A lot of disposables. Med carts. Another OR table. 6500 Elite. And then if we come through here, you can see there's a lot of Metro Lifeline crash carts, more patient monitors, some IRES Panda warmers over here, a few infant warmers still left. There's one of those striker bassinets. Those things are in high demand. That item right there, hiding behind the Dynamap.
Really? What is it?
That's a really high-end infant incubator, or not incubator, infant bassinet. A lot of progressive beds, infant stretchers, Mac 5500s. This is another 3085 surgical table, and a Steris AMC or APC all-purpose chair. Oh, the Sterad. These are popular sterilizers, and got those in stock. A ton of Hoyer lifts came in. These are the Linux and the Lycos. These are the ones here that are ideal for, is it Golvo? Ideal for hospital beds because they have a low base, so they go low. So for like a progressive bed, that would be the ideal situation there. Wilch Allen 6000 series monitors, some empty striker carts cases, 75L, just saw that over there. A 630. And some Dynamaps over there. A lot of the 6000 series, couple 1115 Prime series stretchers, more med carts, some really decent IV poles, glide scopes, systems right here. Those are always in demand. And a lot of different scales. So if you're looking for medical equipment, truckloads of stuff coming in. This is just one warehouse out of 3. But sometimes it's easier to shoot a quick video where there's a McKay table and see what's in stock. Makes it easier. Ooh, an OrthoVision. It's a Steris. Really nice table when it comes to orthopedics.